Hello folks, welcome to the lesson on encoders. In this lesson we're going to cover what an encoder is, how encoders are used in robots, we're going to discuss sample programs that use encoders, we're going to learn how to configure the motors and sensors setup wizard, we're going to test a couple of the programs that demonstrate how encoders work, and then you're going to learn where you can find additional lessons that allow you to learn more about encoders. I started this lesson by typing the word encoders into Google, and you can see that I have lots of pictures. So you've got DC motors right here, and then you've got these discs. Basically what happens is you've got a motor, and your motor has a shaft attached to it. So the shaft spins, and whatever the shaft is attached to would move. In our case, we're using it to move wheels. This picture right here is a simplified version of an encoder. And so you've got this disc that spins, you've got an LED that shines a light into a photosensor. And as the disc spins, the encoder records how far the shaft has spun. Your VEX encoders would look like this, and they attach to the wheel. They don't necessarily have to be a direct attachment, but they might attach to the wheel right here. Your Lego encoders are built directly into Lego Smart Motors. With our virtual worlds, we have the encoders built directly into the wheels. Here's an example of a moving forward for 2 rotations program. It's broken into 3 parts. Pragma statements up at the top, comments, which are right here, and then your actual code, which is right here. So your Pragma statements are automatically generated for you as long as you're going to be using the Robot Virtual Worlds programs that I'm going to be giving to you. In the last lesson we learned about single line comments. Single line comments were the // In this case right here, you see you've got a multiple line comment. Up at the top, a multi-line comment starts with a /*, and it continues all the way here, and it ends with a */. Your comments in Robot C are always designated in green, and they're ignored by the compiler. Here's what our actual code looks like, and it can be broken into 4 different parts. Initially, we're going to wait for 2,000 milliseconds or 2 seconds. The next lines of code clear the values of the encoder. So we're going to set the values of right encoder and left encoder to 0. The next segment of code is our conditional statement. It says while the sensor value in the left encoder is less than 720, the right motor and the left motor move forward at a power level of 63. So let's begin. Let's go to the next video and let's get started.